Oh, the iPhone 4S. I want one so bad. Oh my gosh. It has iCloud. It's a dual-core A5 chip. It's an 8-megapixel camera. Has that camera on the front and the back. And Siri. Oh my gosh, I want Siri so bad. It's the most amazing iPhone yet. Let's see, what do I... Oh, I want to order one. I'm going to order it right now. I want an iPhone 4S. I wonder when it's going to get here. I want my new iPhone. I want my new iPhone 4S with Siri. I wonder when it's going to get here. I hope it... Oh, I don't even have a watch. I wonder when it's going to get here. When's my new iPhone going to get here? I want my new iPhone 4S with Siri. I want my new iPhone. When's it going to come? I hope it comes soon. When's it going to come? Okay, so how can my new iPhone S with Siri go from Shenzhen, China to Hong Kong, and then to Alaska, and then to Memphis FedEx? Why not go from Alaska to Seattle or to Portland? Why do you have to go to Memphis? I want my Siri. Where's Siri with my iPhone 4S? I want her now. Why Memphis and then to Portland? Okay, I've had dinner. I hope it's almost here. Where is it going to be? When's it coming? When's it coming? With Siri. iPhone 4 with Siri. iPhone 4S has Siri. iPhone 4S. Hello, FedEx Portland. Will be signed. Just leave it. Yes, absolutely. So sorry you had to go to Alaska. I know how cold it is there. Oh my gosh. I can't believe it. Oh, I should probably take a picture or something. Oh, okay. I hate to do this to you. Apple, they're so creative with their stuff. There's nothing in here! They forgot her! Where's Siri? Those crazy Asians, they tricked me again.